Number 2, you're going to find the value of y expressed as in the simplest radical form. Notice these are all right triangles. They're all right triangles, so we can use the equation a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Let's just make sure we label each part. We can make a 10, b equals to 5, c can be equal to y. So let's plug it in. 10 squared plus 5 squared is equal to c squared. 100 squared, it is 10 squared is 100 plus 5 squared is 25 is equal to c squared. 100 plus 25 becomes 125 is equal to c squared. To get rid of the square, we square root both sides. This cancels, leaving you with just a c. But radical 125 can be broken down into radical 25 times radical 5. We do this because the square root of 25 just be broken down into just the number 5 to bring down that radical 5 and bring down that equal to c. That would be the final answer. C is the value of 5 radical 5. Here we do the same equation. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Oh, just to let you know, c was really the value of y here. All right, I should have made that substitution for you. So a equals to y, b equals to 6, and c equals to radical 85. So let's plug it in. A, we make that the value y squared plus b is 6, so 6 squared is equal to radical 85 squared, right? So nothing happened to the y squared. The 6 squared becomes 36. And then the square here and this value of the square root cancels, leaving you with just a value of 85. Subtract 36 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with a y squared is equal to 85 minus 36. This becomes 49. Now you can square root both sides because you're trying to get y alone. The square and the square root cancels, leaving you with just a y on the left hand side. The square root of 49 is just 7. Okay, let's look at c here. Same equation. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. A can just be y. B sorry, that's not right. This has to be c because you see how it's opposite to that 90. So c equals to y, b can equal to 9, and a equals to square root 19. So square root 19 squared plus 9 squared is equal to y squared. The squared and the square root here will cancel, leaving you with just a value of 19. The 9 squared, it becomes 81. The y squared remains itself. Now we do 19 plus 81. That becomes the value of 100. Equals to y squared. To get y alone, we have to square root both sides. The square and the square root cancels, leaving you with just a y on the right hand side. The square root of 100, it is just a 10. So there you go. That is how you solve for the missing side of a right triangle.